Nomad AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about the software called the Nomad AI. So this is the sales page right now, and let me give you a discount coupon to start with this. So you can try these two coupon codes, Nomad Min for 30% off on the funnel, and Nom VIP for $5 discount on the funnel. Okay, try to use this coupon and see if you can get some discount. And how do you come to the sales page? For that, you have to click the link below my YouTube video, which will be saying grab Nomad AI copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page where it says start your own affiliate travel agency. In less than 60 seconds, you're just one copy paste away from selling holiday packages, hotel rooms, this and that. Okay, so I'll show you the demo video quickly. You will find the demo video maybe on the sales page as well. So let's get to the bottom to see some question answers. So I think demo video is right here. Okay, it's a short demo video, so you can play or watch. I'll show that to you as well. So let's go through some question answers first. So do I need to pay monthly fee? No. What will be the price after the launch period? They can increase if they want a commercial license. Yes. Not tech savvy, you don't have to be. How is this different? They have some top features. Will this work on Mac and PC? It will work. So let's play the demo video, which is only 1 minute few seconds longer. Okay, so you type in your name and your affiliate ID. So first of all, you have to go to booking.com, and from booking.com you have to have your affiliate account approved, and you need to go and get your affiliate ID from booking.com, which you have to paste here so that your referrals, people who will buy the package on booking.com will be through your affiliate link. Okay, I hope you understand. And then you are supposed to generate these landing pages, these websites using Nomad AI. And when somebody will be searching their travel destination, the hotel rooms or the package, then they will be taken to booking.com through your affiliate link. And that's how, if they buy or if they book, you make some money. That's the concept. Okay, so when they click on any of these links or when they click on book now, they will be taken to booking.com, as you will see in a moment. There you go. So this is now the actual booking on booking.com. So if they buy through your link using Nomad AI sales page, or the this landing page which you can create using Nomad AI, then you get the referral commission. Okay, all right. So are we done with the demo? We are nearly done. So go and grab this. If if you want my bonuses as well, then make sure you watch the video till the end to know what the bonuses are. I don't talk about bonuses in the beginning, so you have to watch the video till the end. And demo is done. So let's come back and so whether you want to buy this or not, but if you only want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy this. So let's come back and check the OTOs right here. So front end, this is 17. Obviously, I have given you the discount coupon course somewhere here. You can get this in maybe $13-14 as well. Then you have some OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check what do you get in front end. So this is what you get in front end. Read everything, pause the video and read everything on the screen. Then you have grade 1 Nomad AI Pros. Everything is unlimited here, I guess. Nomad AI Enterprise. This is what you get in OTO 2. This is OTO 3 done for you. And OTO 4 is reseller license. OTO 5 is IMX. OTO 6 is white label. So you can sell this as your own software. Okay, so go and grab this. As I said, you can see my bonuses are linked with the sales page. So this is my bonus URL, which is linked with the sales page. So if you go and buy from my link below, you will get the bonuses automatically. Okay, so in the end, whether you want this or don't want this, but if you only want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy this so that you can get my bonuses using the link below. Now if you want to make money online or want to know what my bonuses are, then watch the video till the end. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day, and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish Hacking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling Kish Hacking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.